So, ran into a tree trimming service and asked them if they just drop off a bunch of wood chips and stuff at our house, and they gladly did. It was helpful because it's only like a block down the road. So this, the goats are just loving because there's a lot of leaves and stuff in there. We actually just wanted the wood chips, but it was last minute, so we just took everything. I'll deal with it later. But right now, the goats are loving this, and so are the chickens. Just put a big pile over here and called it good. Let them dig through it. I don't know what we'll do. We were trying to do it between our garden boxes, but this is fine. Throw it out here, let them just dig through it. Sort of like our own little mulch pile, I guess.